So guys, I'm really into my creative mode. I'm going back to painting. Just a little backstory. In high school, I studied AP art, and in college, I started art history and archaeology. So I just love being able to create something out of my mind. So I decided I'm gonna start small. I'm gonna make 15 pieces, and from those 15 original paintings, I'm gonna make prints and postcards and go to like a really small art festival, maybe in my town first, to get my feet wet and to figure out how it all goes. But so far I have two original works, so I have a lot more to go. I'm still working on the second piece. I'm not done yet. It's gonna go on day 3, which is fine because some pieces can take a lot longer than that. I have a lot of ideas in my head. It's very Roxy focused. I love my baby. Roxy's my black lab. So let me go ahead and just show you those two pieces now. I made this piece a really long time ago, but I call her Mother. She's surrounded by flowers. So this is my first original work. And here's my second original work. It's called Sighted Guide. If you notice, she doesn't have any eyes, and I did that on purpose. So just a couple of more details in her fur and to make the background more solid, and I'm done with the second piece. And my third piece is going to be this. This is my practice one I did, and I bought a 16 by 20 canvas to make a rendition on. That's going to be my third original work. So pretty excited to get started on her.
You don't know anything about me. I know you're a private dancer. I only need 3 other girls. We can put it on at the training club. I'll show you. Stand right here. Watch me. Wait a minute, slow down. Like this? Yeah. That's Prince too.
So Roxy doesn't use this as much anymore, but this is her harness. I have it hanging up with her leash. The blind school I went to, they had a contract with the Amish that lived there locally in Ohio. A lot of Amish communities there. And I signed a contract that as soon as she is fully retired, I return the harness. So that way it's well worn in leather and it can be used for training for other new students. So Roxy's almost there. Not quite, but almost. So I finished my piece. It took me 5 days in total, so a business week. I'm excited to show you guys the finished product. It's called Service Eyes, or yeah, Service Eyes. And this series is all about Roxy, my guide dog, my black Labrador that has a little gray in her fur now. So be kind, but let me go ahead and show you the finished product. There she is. The green represents her aura. Green is the earth because she's always rubbing her nose in it, and she loves smelling like the earth. And the yellow is the sun because she is definitely a ray of sunshine in my life. I couldn't imagine my life without the rock star. Second cup of coffee, and my favorite and only Christmas mug. Well, no, I have a Nightmare Before Christmas mug too, but I love this mug. But anyway, I'm working on my second piece. So let me go ahead and show you. I did a quick sketch and then I'll paint. Probably not tonight. Alright, it's another Labrador. I wanted to do a tall painting of a lab just sitting, chilling. So yeah, I don't know how well you can see my pencil, but yeah.
What's in your wallet?
So does his mom see him?
No. That's the big twist.
When your mother and father were first divorced, your mom went to see a doctor like me, and he didn't help her. So you think I'm not going to be able to help you? You're worried that she said she told him things. Things she couldn't tell anyone else. Secrets. You have a secret, but you don't want to tell me. Your dad gave you that watch as a present just before he went away.
You forgot your choice.
So getting some more canvases. Remember, I'm just starting out, so I can't fall out. So, Five Below. I found a really cool canvas at Dollar Tree. It's black, so for $1.25. Hello. Excuse me. Oh, look at that.
That's not what you can interest me.
Yeah, I'm just showing you. This one's set up a little different. I think we're here. It's a 3-pack for $6.
Is that the size you're doing next?
I was thinking about doing that one next. It's a 2-pack. For $5.
Will that fit inside the clock?
No, it's too
It's
small.
too small.
Oh, I thought it already has design on it. So we'll do this pen. Couple of pieces. Do you want those or those? Alright, so a little haul. This is from Five Below. 2 round canvases for $5. And I got some spicy dill pickle sunflower seeds. Oh, this is what we had for lunch at Chili's. So we put this in the refrigerator. JCPenney's, he got himself some jeans. Now these bags are from the Dollar Tree. Never could have enough cleaning gloves. I ordered some through DoorDash from Dollar General, but they didn't get the right kind that I wanted. So, and this is the black canvas I was telling you about that was at the Dollar Tree for Christmas tomorrow. Today is Christmas Eve. I wanted to get me a little festive headband. I should have got one for Rox too. Clorox wipes. A candle. Candy. Because Roxy was a good girl, she got a tweet. Now this is the piece of the response. All acrylic. Green. Yellow. Red. Orange. White. They had black, I would have grabbed some. Blue. Turquoise. Purple. Lime green. I guess another orange. And pink. I got all the colors. So to get more sunlight, I got the fixer-upper fireplace thing right in the background. I think it's cute. Anyway, to get more sunlight, because I had the tree right in front of the window, so it was always dark. So Christmas Eve, I decided to move it over, and we got the chair back. The bear was not sitting in it anymore. So this is Roxy's presents rearranged. And our little modest Christmas tree. I love it. So this is my Christmas Eve outfit. I got a black lab with the Santa hat and Santa sleigh bells around their neck. I got some reindeer headband ears to wear. Very festive. Tomorrow making a Christmas dinner. Gonna watch Roxy open her presents. Just really, really enjoying the next couple of days out the office and off of work and just being with my little family. So Christmas was very, very stress-free. I've noticed a lot of people have been performative about boycotting certain places. Christmas is here, everybody's going to Target, everybody's going to Walmart. Like, okay, now that it's Christmas, actually the birth of Jesus, consumerism and capitalism took over, and forget DEI and forget the original boycott. Gotcha. Didn't go to Target, didn't go to Walmart. Everybody's getting gift cards, and Roxy has a couple of gifts and excited to have her open those. So, yeah, stay true to your morals. And that's what I did. Hey, the baby. I got stuff all over my... What's in here? Oh, you got donkeys. Hi, Max. What's that? Let's open it. It's a chicken. Okay, Roxy, what's in here? That's your food. The Campbell Co. Hey, Roxy. What's this one? Ooh, some good wrapping paper. It's a dinosaur, Roxy. It's a dinosaur, you get it. some cute wet food. Here's some Twizzlers. What's this? Oh, look at this, Roxy. Look at this. It's another dinosaur, Roxy. Look. Oh, Roxy. Your favorites. Your favorites. And look at your bear. Look at your bear, Roxy. She gives you hugs. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Merry Christmas, Roxy.